Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Wyndham Garden Riverwalk Museum Reach. It's a 4-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Featuring an outdoor pool and hot tub overlooking the San Antonio River, the Wyndham Garden Riverwalk Museum Reach is just 4 minutes drive away from the Alamo. Free Wi-Fi, an iPod dock and a flat-screen TV are provided in every room. Each brightly colored room features a laptop safe, work desk and ironing facilities. Free toiletries and a hairdryer are provided in each private bathroom. A riverside sun terrace surrounded by palm trees is located at this Wyndham hotel. A 24-hour front desk. Organic breakfast offerings, freshly squeezed juices, coffee and tea are available at the on-site Café, open daily from 6:30 to 10:30. Bourbon Street Seafood Kitchen offers authentic Cajun cuisine, specialty cocktails, wine and locally crafted beer. The on-site restaurant is open for daily lunch and dinner. The up-and-coming Pearl Brewery District is 3 minutes drive away from the property. Ripley's Believe It or Not Museum is 0.7 miles away from Wyndham Garden San Antonio Riverwalk Museum Reach. San Antonio International Airport is 6.8 miles away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.